Okay, I am just going to discuss the assignment called salary-based budget, and it goes with this analyzing of it. So I'm going to open it, and granted it'll be a little bit different for you. But first off, you're just going to click on this, which should open up a PowerPoint. Okay, so as you go through this, sorry, you will have to go and first open up this worksheet and do the file, make a copy like we've done before, and then you'll go to the next step and you will visit this and you'll fill in the information on your spreadsheet, and then just continuing on through all of these steps. And so 32 steps. Then this reflection, so instead of clicking here, after you've done step 32, you will come back and come to the analyzing, and that will open up for you a Google Doc. And so you will use that spreadsheet that you just created to go through and answer these reflection questions for me. So you'll do that, and then I did forget to point out on the first assignment for this, the salary-based budget, you will turn in your spreadsheet for me to grade on that. So hopefully that helps this assignment make maybe a little bit more sense.